Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys Bluetooth headphone setting in our Realme phone guys. In this video guys I will show you guys how can you connect guys your Bluetooth headphones. So guys you have guys any Bluetooth headphone and guys you want to pair with your Realme phone guys. So guys how can you pair it in this video guys I will show you guys how to pair Bluetooth headphone. So first of all guys we will run phone setting to pair our Bluetooth headphones. Then guys you can see guys your Bluetooth setting is off. So guys first of all guys we will have to on it. After on guys your Bluetooth setting guys you will have to on guys your headphone Bluetooth headphone. So I have guys this Pilton company headphones. So guys I will on it to pair and guys refresh your Bluetooth setting. So we will have to refresh. Then guys you can see guys your Bluetooth headphone name. So guys you can see Pilton BT my. Then guys you can see it's pairing and guys you can see this notification pair allow access to contacts and call logs. So yes we want to pair it. So guys and guys you want to check guys your Bluetooth headphone battery. So guys you can check from here. So guys Bluetooth headphone has paired and guys now you can use it while watching movies, listening song, whatever you want. So I hope friends you've understood how to pair a Bluetooth headphone to our Realme phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on next video. Bye bye friends.